The Pixel Fold's dual screen translation mode is being imitated by the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. Though the firm seems to be working on a new translation option to take use of both screens on the future Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, Samsung has been prioritizing translation across its Galaxy AI suite. It's because Google used it on the Pixel Fold first that it sounds similar. With Google's Pixel Fold last year, the company unveiled Interpreter Mode, a new interpret function that lets users interpret text and audio via the primary display and see the result on the secondary unit. Without flipping their phone around, users can effectively conduct a genuine two-way chat. Samsung seems to think highly of this smart concept. We may notice an update to Samsung's Interpreter Mode, which made its debut on the Galaxy S24 series, in leaked marketing materials shared by Evan Blass in an email newsletter. With this update, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 can have two-way discussions that display translations to the other user on both their inner and outer screens. Unlike the Pixel's functionality, which only works when the device is unfurled, Samsung's materials and footnotes imply that this feature only works in Flex mode. It also states explicitly that it only works in conversation mode. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, which come with the same Galaxy AI capabilities as the Galaxy S24 series, will be formally released by Samsung on July 10th. With a $50 reservation credit and the possibility to save up to $1,500, reservations for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 are now available on Samsung.com. No purchase of the device is required to make a reservation, which is totally free. Participating also entitles you in a $5,000 Samsung credit contest. The focus of the unpacking event is the new Galaxy AI, but Samsung also encourages lovers of the Galaxy brand to have unique experiences with their new foldable phones. To rival Apple's mobile and on-device AI, Samsung is likely to release a slew of new AI capabilities. Major design revisions, which many customers have requested, will also be included in the new goods. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.